Meet Carlos. It's his first day at work in an Iron Mountain facility. The powered industrial trucks are loud, the work is fast-paced, and the environment is unfamiliar. Carlos has enthusiasm, but one thing he needs to master right from the start is situational awareness. Situational awareness is about being aware of your surroundings, understanding what's happening, and recognizing potential hazards. It's the key to staying safe in environments like these, where hazards can be around the corner. Situational awareness has three critical components: perception, comprehension, and projection. The first is perception. It's about noticing what's happening around you. Are there machines running? Is there equipment moving? Are there hazardous substances or electrical hazards? Next is comprehension. This is about understanding what those signals mean. What's the impact of that spill? Could someone slip? Could it damage equipment? It's not just about seeing what's happening. It's about understanding how it affects you and others. Finally, projection. Based on what you perceive and understand, you need to predict what could happen next. Is the forklift about to turn around the corner? Is that machine operator aware of your presence? How can you avoid a potential accident? On Carlos's first day, and like many new workers, he faces some key challenges. New environments are full of unknowns. The sights, sounds, and even the smells can be overwhelming. Distraction is a big enemy of situational awareness. In a noisy, fast-paced environment, letting your guard down for a moment is easy. But in that moment, accidents can happen. Thankfully, at Iron Mountain, we take safety seriously. Before anyone can begin working in operational areas, they must undergo safety training. Carlos learns the importance of personal protective equipment, such as gloves, safety toe footwear, high-visibility vests, safety glasses, and hearing protection. However, personal protective equipment, or PPE, is the last line of defense and is usually insufficient. At Iron Mountain, we prioritize the implementation of the most effective protective controls to effectively reduce hazards to an acceptable level of risk. Our training program will help you understand the facility's layout. Knowing where the hazards are, where you can go, and what to avoid helps you maintain situational awareness. A big part of staying aware is communication. Whether you're working alone or with a team, keeping in constant communication helps ensure everyone is on the same page. Simple actions, like calling out when you're about to move something or letting others know about a hazard, can prevent serious accidents. This habit needs to be built, and it's especially important for new workers. If you're not sure, ask. If something looks wrong, speak up. Fast forward a few weeks, and Carlos is settling in. But as familiarity sets in, there's a new risk: complacency. The longer you work in one place, the easier it is to assume you know everything that's happening. When you start thinking you know it all, you stop paying attention, and that's when accidents happen. Staying vigilant and avoiding shortcuts is key. If you see something out of place, no matter how small, act on it. Report hazards immediately. Better safe than sorry. In high-risk environments, emergencies can happen at any time. It could be a fire, a chemical spill, or a machinery failure. When that happens, situation awareness will guide your actions. Stay calm, assess the situation, and act accordingly. Don't panic. Know where your emergency exits are. Understand our company's emergency procedures. Awareness in an emergency can save lives. Situational awareness isn't something you master overnight. It's a skill you'll develop throughout your career. Whether you're new like Carlos or a seasoned pro, staying alert, asking questions, and never taking safety for granted is the best way to protect yourself and those around you. Because in the end, safety isn't just about following rules. It's about keeping your eyes open and always being aware of what's happening around you. Remember, safety starts with awareness. Be proactive, stay alert, and don't be afraid to speak up. Your awareness could make all the difference in a place where every second counts.